Hello and welcome back to Primal Living. My name is Hannah. I am one of the Primal Gourmet authors and welcome to another healthy recipe video. Now, I don't know about you, but I love a good spaghetti dish. So when I was asked last week if I could make a king prawn spaghetti recipe with a white sauce, of course I had to say yes. In today's video, not only will I show you how to make this king prawn spaghetti dish with fried asparagus, but I'll also show you how to make the white sauce, which is low carb and primal friendly, and you can use it in loads of other recipes too. This recipe is healthy, low carb, high in protein, and also packed with essential healthy fats that will help leaving you feel full and nourished. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe.
Begin by oiling a pan and add 1 teaspoon of butter and 1 diced garlic clove on medium heat. Stir the garlic to avoid it from burning. Add 100 grams of asparagus to the pan and cook for 5 minutes. Once cooked, remove from the pan and set aside. Next, add 330 grams of king prawns to the pan and cook until they are pink throughout. Remove from the pan and set aside. Now to make the white sauce, add 200 grams of organic cream cheese, 300 milliliters of full fat cream milk, a good amount of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and a large pinch of nutmeg to a saucepan. Mix everything together on medium heat and once melted, bring to the boil. Once boiling, reduce to a simmer for 5 minutes and then whisk the sauce to help thicken it up. While your sauce simmers, add 2 packs of slim noodles to an oiled pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high heat. At this point, you can either add half of the white sauce to the noodles or all of it. It totally depends on how creamy you want your spaghetti to be. Next, add the king prawns back into the noodles and carefully mix everything together. Once mixed, add the asparagus back into and then finally mix everything together once again. Season your spaghetti with a little extra salt and pepper if you wish, and add a small handful of chopped parsley to garnish. And voila, if you love this recipe, then make sure you also check out our easy low carb fish pie dish. As always, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this recipe a thumbs up and comment below any future recipes you would like to see from us. I'll see you next week for another recipe video, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Enjoy!